Hello, so what you see on your screen is a microphone. It's the special type of transducer which converts a sound wave signal into an proportionate electric signal. So these are some of the early versions of the microphone that we used to see. So what you see, this kind of microphone receives a sound waves and then it converts a proportional electric signal that is then processed specifically and amplified with a device called as preamplifier. And then we have a voltage output, as you can see in this form. So there are various types of microphone. Nowadays, we have mobile phone, we have so many electrical gadgets, television, and toys. So whenever you have a microphone in it, it receives the sound waves and converts it into proportional signal that is then processed by a preamplifier for a louder output. So this is the form of a transducer. Now there are different types of microphone. One is called as condenser type of microphone. One is called as piezoelectric based microphone. One is called as contact type based microphone. So condenser type of microphone is the original word that is used for the microphone, in which there are two plates of the capacitor, and when the sound wave comes in, one of the plate of the capacitor moves, that changes the capacitance between the two plates. The distance between the two plates changes, the capacitance then changes. So this is the principle of operation of the condenser microphone.